Hello, I'm Ben with SCW. Today we're going to discover the SCW Shield alarm system. This is the SCW Shield hub, which wirelessly connects all your sensors. They come in two different options, the SCW Shield and SCW Shield Elite. Both feature battery backup, support for up to 96 zones, and iOS and Android devices. The SCW Shield Elite features cellular backup and Z-Wave smart home automation. Every SCW Shield comes with an easy-to-use pin pad. You can arm and disarm the system with either the pin pad or the app on your iOS or Android device. With every SCW Shield hub comes a built-in 85 decibel siren. When the system is armed and an alarm triggered, this siren will sound. Available for purchase, we have a secondary alarm with battery backup. This would be used for larger installations to cover the whole area. Also available for purchase, we have an easy-to-use key fob that will quickly arm and disarm your system. Next, we will discuss our full line of sensors available for the SCW Shield. First off, we have our SCW Shield door and window sensors. These sensors are very discreet and they're designed to detect any opening or closing of a door or window. The two biggest differences between the door and window sensor is, with the door sensor, whenever it detects an opening, it'll allow 60 seconds for you to disarm the system. Wherein with the window sensor, it will immediately alarm the system. SCW will ship these to you with the predetermined delay. Next, we will discuss our SCW Shield indoor residential pet-resistant motion sensor. This sensor will be used to cover larger areas of the home, such as living room, kitchens, basements. A very common sensor, normally we would pair this sensor and a few door and window sensors for most homeowners. We also offer an outdoor motion sensor or a commercial UL-listed indoor motion sensor. Next, we have our SCW Shield glass break detector. What this sensor is going to allow you to do is cover large windows or sliding glass doors, pretty much anything where the glass could be broken and the area entered without triggering a sensor. So storefronts would also be something that you could consider this for, or any area where you have multiple windows. Moving to our life safety sensors, we have the 3-in-1 smoke, fire, and temperature sensor. This sensor has the ability to detect smoke, ambient temperature, and temperature rise. It has on average a 10-year battery life. Another cool feature of the 3-in-1 smoke, fire, and temperature sensor is the ability to disable the smoke detection feature. In a scenario where you would use this in a kitchen and you're not wanting to detect smoke, you can call our SCW technical support team to disable the smoke detection function. Next, we have our carbon monoxide sensor. This sensor features a 10-year battery life. When carbon monoxide is detected, this will immediately dispatch emergency services. Next, we have our 3-in-1 flood, freeze, and temperature sensor. This device will detect high and low temperatures real-time via the app. It will also detect any sort of liquid. Scenarios where you would use this is water heaters, so if there's any leak, you can minimize any sort of damage. This also features a 10-year battery life. Next, we have the Safe Care panic button. This will be used for elderly or anyone that would need immediate medical attention. Simply by pressing this button, it'll dispatch emergency medical services. You have two options for wearing this. We have a wristband as well as a lanyard. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-866-414-2553 and select option 1.